Swiggy Minis is in your town. If you want, you can shop now from Swiggy. It's a new addition to Swiggy after Instamart has been added. So pretty excited to know how is shopping on Swiggy. It is connecting pan-India across. You can check out. And the specialty of this Swiggy shopping is you can not only buy any product on Swiggy Minis, but also you can sell. If you want, you can open the store and sell the products across your store because it connects to pan India. So Swiggy Minis is for everyone. Let's see more in detail of this Swiggy Minis. Interested? Let's get going. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Hope you're all happy and safe, right? As you see in the picture, go to Swiggy app. You will find Minis as a new addition. You can click on that and the store opens. You see here A to Z categories are available. You have electronics, snacks, beverages, pet care, jewelry, home and decor, and lot more. You can click on others and visit the stores that are available. You can scroll down and explore more. If you like any of the stores, you can click on that and see the offer that is available on that store. For instance, I have bags here. I visited this store. And if you want any help in shopping, you can click on chat and chat with the store seller, as you see in the picture. Okay, let me tell you, an important feature of the Swiggy Minis, it is D2C, direct to customer selling. That means there's no middleman. You can directly contact with the seller if you've got any doubts. As you see in the picture, I'm showing you how you can search any product on Swiggy Minis. For instance, I have searched for kurti. These are some of the search results I've got. You can choose any of the product. As you see in the picture, I chose this kurta. You can scroll down and go through the details of the store. This is Kavish, India. You can see the dispatch details and also the delivery options. If you have got any doubt, you can click on chat and chat with the store seller. Now you can click on add to cart button if you want to buy, and you go to your cart. Now read all the instructions of the cancellation policy before you place the order on Swiggy Minis because the cancellation policy is strict. As you see in the picture, you can cancel the product before confirmation. That is, once the order is confirmed, you can not cancel the order. And not only that, and you don't have any refund once the order is dispatched. For any queries, you can chat with the store seller if you want for help and support. Now, after you add to cart the products, you just have to select the address and click on proceed to checkout. That's it, done. Your order is placed. So how is shopping on Swiggy Minis? Did you like? Let me know in the comment section. What is your opinion? And let me know how many you have got the Swiggy Minis in your town. Okay, that's it all for today. If you want to shop on Swiggy Minis, you can. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and help the channel grow. Have a good day. Keep smiling.